We're here today. We're invited a bunch of friends and clients to the network building and to our office space just to celebrate really the opening of our office. We've been working on this project for some time and really have kind of finally pulled it all together, but also recognizing our 10 years as Entegrity Energy Partners doing these turnkey energy efficiency and solar solutions, along with our consulting group as well, and all the sustainability and energy services that we do there. So yeah, we're just thrilled to be here. It's a really cool group of people, lots of friends that we just wanted to celebrate with and be mindful of the experience that we've had over the last decade, but also where we're going as a company. This building in particular is a really good testament to the services that we offer and the work that we do. So it's really, walking the talk for us. We're striving to be a net zero energy building for both the office space and the 28 apartments that are in the building. We just submitted for LEED Platinum certification on the office space. We got Fitwell certification on the apartments. And like I said, we're pursuing net zero energy as well. So we have the rooftop is covered in solar to really provide energy and offset the energy consumption of the building. We've got awnings that are made up of solar modules as well. We have 10 electric vehicle charging stations in the parking lot. And so we're really, like I said, walking the talk of our company as Entegrity, and we're excited to do it.